What's up and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a multi-tool. First of all, import OS, which is a module, then do banner equals R, so like this. As you can see here, copy it. I'll put the website in the description where you can create your own banner. And then you're gonna, to make like the banner have color, you're gonna do Lumera, import 4, just copy everything I do. So like this, and then you do 4.magenta, which is purple I think, and then you do features equals R again, and then this, then you can do like one task manager, and then you can print for I keep doing it, magenta plus features, and then you can create option equals input, and then just do like this, and then with in equals 1 we're gonna do os.system task manager else exit, and then we're gonna call it. So now if we go ahead and run it, you can see we have this little menu with magenta, and if I press 1 you can see it starts up task manager. You can add more stuff to the features like opening Discord automatically and more. I might make a part 2, but bye, have a great day, and